Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Guys, today we're learning a new song. It's the Clark Sisters' Living. And we're in the key of E flat, but since we're numerical melodies, we like to challenge ourselves. We're going to play it in the key of E, a key that we very rarely face as musicians. So we're going to show off our skills on tonight, right? So let's just go ahead and let me give you the key of E. That's the key of E. That's E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, and E. And of course, we're numerical melodies. Let's run through our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we have the Clark Sisters in the building. They are coming from the back. They're warming up, getting those voices ready. All right, so let's go ahead and start playing for them. Here we go.
Speak to dreams, they will come true. I can tell my troubles to get away. God gave me the power to make my day. I'm no longer walking on sinking sand. I'm just standing, resting in my Father's hand. I'm blessed when I come and when I go. Every day I'm living.
All right, guys, let's give it up for the Clark Sisters. To all my numerics, let's take this time out and count our numbers. All right, guys, so this song is very easy. This is like a 2-minute lesson, okay? It's very simple. So all we're doing is we're in the key of E, right? So we're going from the 4. Our 4 is our A right here in the bass, right? We're going from the 4. Then we're going to the 2. We're going back to the 4, 3, 6. And then we're turning around. You can either hit the 1 or you can hit the 5 flat. Okay, but let me give you those chords really quick. So right there on the 4, I got my 4 on my bass. I'm just playing my left hand like that. All right, so my right hand is basically playing this C sharp minor 7 chord. All right, then we're going to this 2. Okay, so my left hand is on the 2, and we're playing this A7 chord, right? Very nice chord. And then they're going back. Look, we're going right back to the C sharp 7 chord. And we're playing this chord right here. That's a C, E, F sharp, B. We're on the 3. And we're going to end on the 6. And that chord is just an E7 chord. And then we're turning around. We're doing this cool little jazz chord. It's an A flat, C sharp, D, F sharp, and we're on the 5 flat of the key of E. This song is pretty much doing the same thing, right? It's just the same repetitive, going to the 4, to the 2, 4, 3, 6, 5 flat, right? So there's got to be something we can do to make this song more interesting, more entertaining to our audience, right? So what we want to do is in between those long rests, you just want to just do something dealing with your sister chords, as we discussed in the previous videos. Our sister chords in this tutorial is the key of E. That's our E major chord, and then we have our F sharp minor chord, right? So basically you're just going back and forth from the E to the F sharp minor, E to the F sharp minor, E to the F sharp minor. So what that would sound like in context would be, right? See how I did that? So it's you're utilizing the E major and the F sharp minor. All right, and also whenever you're on the 2, right? We was on the 2. You can do this little movement right here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So all I did was I hit the 2, and then I went. So what I'm doing is in my left hand, I'm going to the F, which is really our 2 flat of the key of E. And then we're hitting this B diminished 7 chord. And then I'm just hitting this B right here on top and hitting my chord all over again. So in context it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Guys, great lesson on tonight. We're just gonna keep on bringing more people in. I would love for you to share this content with your musician friends and your family members and everyone. Just tell them to come on by to Numerical Melodies and check us out. And guys, we have a Facebook page I would love for you to go and check out. It's under Numerical Melodies on Facebook. I'm just up there playing the songs I love to hear and play. I'm sure you would love it as well. And guys, also, last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that bell to be notified. And remember, when you hit that bell, that all of the songs that are new are coming straight to you. And remember, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.